need a sign, an epiphany, something big I can feel, I can see, just a little something obvious. And then I heard a voice inside me sing, love is on the way. It wouldn't stop repeating, just for me saying love is on the way. And darling, you'll be fine. It's gonna be alright. So I'm hanging on a Sunday night, got my hands in the air, got my hands in the air.